Hello, Wizardos here. Today, this time I've made a little fuck up, as after the Windows update, I realized that my OBS did not capture any voice from my previous video, and I recorded the whole 20-minute walkthrough on the story and all that. So let's read the story. I'm gonna quickly walk you through reverse engineering because that's our current topic. You see, I've solved it now. So yeah, just remember to double check always your setup. Maybe the fireworks outside finally stopped. So yeah, Maxkey's alert dashboard lit up with an unusual event. Alert. A file sharing web application built by Glitch had triggered a security warning. Glitch had been working hard during the season of Stockmass after the last scare of the Yuli log exploit. But this new alert caused Maxkey to question his intentions. Maxkey began to investigate. It seemed the source of the alert came from a binary that file main. Its way to the web app's backend. It did not belong there and had some anomalous activity. The binary was compiled with .NET. This whole setup seemed quite unusual, and with Glitch working on the latest security updates, Maxkey was filled with suspicion. As Maxkey continued her investigation, Glitch rushed into her room. I swear, I did not put it in there. I was testing defense, but I wouldn't go that far. Maxkey reassured him. This doesn't look like your work. Let's get to the bottom of this. Put on your decompiling hat and let's see what are we dealing with. It's almost loaded, so we're gonna here they're explaining what is reverse engineering, which is a process of turning data from binary to source code in case of IT. Because reverse engineering overall is breaking something down to understand how it works. Then we have the binaries, brief explanation of codes of sections, and I highly encourage you to read through that. Disassembling versus decompiling. So disassembly pretty much turns you binary into assembly, so all the deep kernel instructions, the CPU structures, they are in there. You see here, quick example. But the compiling, however, turns into somewhat of a readable code, like here. If you want the precise knowledge, precise access, just you want to know exactly what's happening, disassembling is for you. You use IDEA or Ghidra or whatever else. But if you just want to have a brief overview on how the app works, you use the compiler. This is a cool table to summarize where you should use what. There we have also a brief intro into multi-stage binaries. So we have like what they are. For example, first with dropper, so we put something little that will just scan the environment if it's vulnerable and drop a binary, which is a payload, and that's what actually causes the website, the app, the operating system to get compromised. So yeah, here is the walkthrough through reverse engineering your application, but we're not gonna pay attention to this. Yeah, what's the name of the file? Download as its file and wherever the app exists. So we'll launch AutoSpy, which is a C# decompiler. Let's go. It's gonna probably take a while. We actually don't need any sort of attack box. That's cool. Let's open it. Need to open desktop wherever app. Need to go down here into fancy app, into login form. It has all the buttons: submit, button click, but there's also something like form 1, which is a little bit weird because it holds download and execute file, which then gives us the actual name, the first flag, download and execute files. Then, once you execute the web of the app, it downloads our binary downloads folder. What's the name of the binary? It's called export.exe, written right here. And I requested from Mayor's C2 to TryHackMe, which is spawned port 8080, and that's also the answer to our next task. Let's quickly download it. We can do it because this is a sandbox, so we won't gonna we're gonna have our precious files damaged. So yeah, Explorer has launched, as you see here. It has downloaded into the downloads. Here it is. So let's go back to our spy. File, open, downloads, Explorer. And yes, some assemblies, blah blah blah. There's one class important, which is called file collector. Program. Let's click on program. Has 3 functions. I'd say this one is the most important one. It also has the main function, which actually can be default for main, which is save to binaries, execute and creates a zip file. Which zip file? This zip file. Collect file zip. Exactly. And then it sends it. Where? Anonymous C2. So TryHackMe. And yeah, that's really about it from this task. By the way, give me your opinion in the comments. What would you prefer? This short one where I read through all that, solve it first, and then give you the answers, or me reading and laughing with you throughout all of that. I'll be so glad for your feedback. And actually, if you want to learn assembly, this one, from what I recall, is a paid room, so you need premium for that. But I can link you in the description or in the pinned comment a cool resource, which is called PWN College, which, yeah, is what it's actually saying. And yeah, just check it out because it's a really good course. Assembly and how it works. So yeah, that's really about it. As far as I see now, you have heard me. That's great news. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe if you want to. Some positive comment will also be appreciated. And yeah, that's really about it. See you tomorrow with another interesting task. Cheers!